This is the demo video for Network Games and Security coursework 2, updated Rhino game. Here I have the Unity player. Unity player, create a room, test room, create a room, and then here, multiplayer, player whatever, joining a random room with the Unity player, and start the game. Try to kill as soon as possible. I'll try to get the Unity player. Actually, I wanted to show that the Unity, I know how I can show it without stopping just yet. So here, the Unity player, it's saved in the leaderboard online as the value of 2 with the name of Unity. And after this game, I can actually check if the name is updated and if the score is also updated. I can leave the game and now I can stop this and play it again. And check, yes, so the best score has been updated and Unity 123 has changed and the date can also be seen. The total players were 2, test room also working. Leaderboard is also updated here. Now I would like to log in and create any room. And with this player, leave the game, log in again, join a random room, and then the chat button. And it can be seen that text send, and it's updating, and here like Unity test is being sent. If I leave the chat, leave the room, join a room, chat button, and everything is still there. Leave the chat, leave the room, leave the chat, leave the room. So I showed that like the player data is saved and is persistent and it's changing. Also, I can show here that is changing the player, like as I gave the player a random number and then the value. Here I can see the chat and the game itself. That is kind of it. Otherwise, the scripts, I can show the scripts. It's nothing unusual. I try to use the encrypted script we've been provided with, but unfortunately it's not working. as I wanted to encrypt after serialization and then decrypt before deserialization, is not working at all, and it's not doing anything properly. So I abandoned mission on that. Here is the chat. Yeah, this is the encryption. So what I meant was that I was able to encrypt, so I was serializing and then encrypting and then storing that string. Oh, oh, this is not nice. Storing that script, storing that byte. I was transforming it into a string so I can save it to a text file. And then I was reading the text. I was reading the text and converting it into a byte array, and then trying to decrypt it, and with the proper string to deserialize the data. However, in theory, kind of makes sense. It didn't work properly, so I abandoned mission. I would actually show more, but this is happening for some reason, so I need to fix it. I will close Visual Studio right now, but yeah, all the code will be in the submission, so it can be seen. I can kind of review it from here, but I don't know, there is, yeah. And I think that is it for now.